In this question, we are given the first three consecutive terms of a GP. So if I denote this by U1, U2, and U3, what is the relationship between the three terms if they are in GP? It will be U2 divided by U1, which is equals to U3 divided by U2. So why is the ratio the same? Because this is a common ratio. Okay, so forming this equation, I can manipulate the equation and solve for k. K is equals to 7. Once I obtain k, I will be able to find the first term, which is equals to 4. Now I can go on to find what is the second term, U2, which is equals to 2 times 7 minus 4. And this will give me 10. Okay, so I have U2, I have U1. So U2 divided by U1 will give me the common ratio, which is 5/2.